Hello po, good morning! Ayan po, hello po, konnichiwa. So, I'm Ayaka po and isa rin po sa hobby ko po is to plant, mag-planting po, ayan. At yung araw po na ito ay napakaganda po dahil hindi po ganong kalamig at napakamaaraw po siya at wala po akong school because nag-start na rin po ang aking winter vacation. Wala din po akong part-time dyan for today at ayaw po lumabas na aking mga kapatid. So, I decided to give my time to my plants. So usually, hindi ko po talaga nilalabas yung mga indoor plants ko po sa labas to water them kasi po lagi ko pong ginagawa is just to spray them or minsan po doon ko na lang sila dinidiligan kung saan po talaga sila usually nakastay. And yes po, 18 years old like me po has an interest po to take care of your plants po because I love to see their differences po when they grow up po. And now I'm checking the soils po if they are dry. And yes, tuyo na po sila. Kaya kailangan na po natin sila diligan kung ba't ko po nalaman. Because pag hindi na po sila dumidikit sa iyong fingers po, it means they are dry. And I recommend po when you're going to start a planting po, you should cut your nails po para hindi mag-stuck yung soil sa ating nails. And habang nagpa-plant po ako, I've learned that plants also replace carbon dioxide with fresh oxygen, and breathing cleaner air also helps you think clearer and calm stress and reduce the risk for asthma. And now we are watering them po, and dapat po ang tubig po is mag-overflow po hanggang sa baba para umabot po siya hanggang sa roots. So if you're going to ask me po if it's hard to take care of a plants po, to be honest, every plant is different po. The watering is different, the sun requirements are different. So far po, mines are nakalagay lang po sila malapit sa aking window magkakasama at it flourishes po even I don't water it every day. The reason I don't water it every day because the season right now po here in Japan, it's cold po, it's winter. So hindi po madali mag-dry ang mga soils po right now and I'm just being careful po not to overwater them. Because actually some of them po really don't like water. And usually what I do is I'm checking the soil if it's dry, like up to 2 inches deep, and when it's dry, it means it needs water. So my advice for watering po is maybe don't overwater too much, and underwatering is also not healthy for the plants. Kaya po minsan like this, sinuspray ko na lang po sila para hindi po sila ma-overwatered. And one more reason kung bakit po ako gumagamit na spray because most of the plants also loves humidity. And now, checking the soil. Ayan, they are good na po. Like I said earlier po, dapat ang soil po is dumidikit po sa ating finger para po malaman po natin ng soil po is already good. So, ayan na naman po tayo. Babalik na natin ang ating mga plants sa loob ng bahay. At mahirap po siya kasi po mabigat po siya. At iniingatan ko nga po na hindi sila mahulog kasi mababasag din po yung kanilang mga vase. Ayan, nalagay na po sila ulit sa kanilang mga lalagyanan. And also this po pala ay nakakatulong din po ito to balance po yung air at yung mga soil po nila. Mabibili nyo po yan sa Daiso. And I just wanted to share you po that recently I just bought this plant po. It is from Daiso. I bought it for like 100 yen with tax po 10 yen. Sa peso po mga 37 pesos. And this is my most favorite plant po of all, snake plants. Snake plants po are hard to kill. Kahit hindi nyo po sila diligan for 1 month, okay lang po sa kanila yan. At nakikita po natin yung mga texture po nila, yung mga leaf po nila ay kakaiba at napakaganda rin po. And ito naman po yung reason kung bakit meron po kayo nakikita mga putol na dahon. Ang reason po niyan po ay naging dry po sila at ayan po may nakita na naman po akong bagong dry at lagi ko po sila ginugupitan para hindi po mag-spread yung dry po at magkaroon po ulit sila ng bagong plants. And also, I just wanted to share po that yung kinakausap po natin yung mga plants po natin or tinututugan po natin yung plants po natin, it is also help them po to grow fast po. Why? It is because of the vibration po na natatanggap po nila. It helps them to grow faster. And dito na rin po magtatapos. Thank you so much!